Understanding warning indicators on your car's dashboard. As you settle into the driver's seat and bring your vehicle to life, a symphony of lights illuminates the dashboard, each with its own unique message and significance. While some lights are merely informational, others serve as critical warning indicators, alerting you to potential issues that require prompt attention. Ignoring these warning lights can lead to costly repairs, compromised safety, and even catastrophic consequences. In this comprehensive guide, we'll demystify the various warning lights on your car's dashboard, empowering you with the knowledge to respond appropriately and ensure a safe, well-maintained ride. Welcome to AutoVFix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into understanding warning indicators on your car's dashboard. The importance of understanding warning lights. Understanding the meaning of each warning light is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Certain warning lights, such as those related to brakes, airbags, or engine malfunction, can indicate potentially dangerous conditions that could put you and your passengers at risk. 2. Early detection. Many warning lights are designed to alert you to emerging issues before they escalate into more significant problems, allowing you to address them promptly and avoid costly repairs. 3. Compliance with regulations. Some warning lights, like the check engine light, may indicate issues that could cause your vehicle to fail emissions tests or violate environmental regulations. 4. Warranty protection. Ignoring certain warning lights may void your vehicle's warranty, as manufacturers often require prompt attention to issues indicated by these lights. 5. Peace of mind. Understanding the meaning of each warning light can provide peace of mind and help you maintain a well-functioning vehicle, free from unexpected breakdowns or safety concerns. Common warning lights and their meanings. While the specific warning lights may vary between vehicle makes and models, there are several common indicators that every driver should understand. 1. Check engine light. This ubiquitous light indicates a problem with the vehicle's emission control system or other engine-related issues. It could be triggered by anything from a loose gas cap to a more serious malfunction. 2. Brake system warning. Light. This light typically indicates a problem with the brake fluid level, brake pads, or other components of the braking system. It's crucial to address this issue immediately, as it can affect your ability to stop the vehicle safely. 3. ABS, anti-lock braking system. Warning light. This light signals a problem with the anti-lock braking system, which could compromise your vehicle's ability to maintain traction and control during hard braking. 4. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Warning. Light. This light alerts you when one or more tires are significantly underinflated, which can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, compromised handling, and increased risk of a blowout. 5. Battery charging system. Warning light. This light indicates a problem with the vehicle's charging system, which could prevent the battery from being properly charged or cause electrical issues. 6. Oil pressure warning. Light. This light signals low oil pressure, which can lead to severe engine damage if not addressed promptly. It's essential to pull over and seek professional assistance immediately if this light comes on. 7. Temperature warning. Light. This light indicates that the engine or coolant temperature is running higher than normal, which could be caused by a coolant leak, faulty thermostat, or other issues with the cooling system. 8. Airbag warning light. This light indicates a problem with the airbag system, which could prevent the airbags from deploying properly in the event of a collision. 9. Traction Control System, TCS, or Electronic Stability Control, ESC, warning light. These lights indicate issues with the vehicle's traction control or stability control systems, which can affect handling and control, especially in adverse driving conditions. 10. Transmission. Warning light. This light signals a problem with the transmission, which could range from low fluid levels to more serious mechanical issues. Responding to warning lights. When a warning light illuminates on your dashboard, it's crucial to respond promptly and appropriately. Here are some general guidelines. 1. Don't panic. While warning lights can be concerning, panicking or overreacting can lead to unsafe driving decisions. Stay calm and focus on bringing your vehicle to a safe stop when possible. 2. Consult your owner's manual. Your vehicle's owner's manual provides detailed information about each warning light and the recommended course of action. Refer to it for specific instructions and guidance. 3. Assess the situation. If a warning light comes on while driving, try to assess the severity of the issue. For example, if the engine temperature warning light illuminates, pull over immediately to avoid potential engine damage. 4. Monitor. Additional symptoms. Pay attention to any unusual noises, smells, or changes in the vehicle's performance that may provide clues about the underlying issue. 5. Seek professional assistance. For more serious or persistent warning lights, it's recommended to have your vehicle inspected and serviced by a qualified professional as soon as possible. 6. Use diagnostic tools. If you have access to an OBD2, onboard diagnostic scanner, you can retrieve diagnostic codes that may provide more specific information about the issue indicated by the warning light. 7. Address issues promptly. Ignoring warning lights can lead to further damage and more costly repairs down the line. Addressing issues promptly can help prevent minor problems from escalating into major ones. Maintaining your vehicle's warning systems. To ensure that the warning lights on your dashboard function correctly, it's important to maintain the various systems and components they monitor. Here are some tips for maintaining your vehicle's warning systems. 1. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can help prevent many issues that could trigger warning lights, such as low fluid levels, worn components, or faulty sensors. 2. Replace batteries and sensors. Over time, batteries and sensors can fail, causing warning lights to malfunction or provide inaccurate readings. Replace these components as recommended or when issues arise. 3. Keep connections clean and secure. Loose or corroded electrical connections can interfere with the proper functioning of warning systems. Ensure that all connections are clean, secure, and free of corrosion. 5. Use high-quality replacement parts. When replacing components that may affect warning light systems, such as sensors or control modules, use high-quality, manufacturer-approved replacement parts to ensure proper functionality. By understanding the meaning of each warning light, responding appropriately, and maintaining your vehicle's warning systems, you can ensure a safer, more reliable, and more cost-effective driving experience. Remember, these warning lights are designed to protect you and your vehicle, so it's crucial to pay attention to them and take prompt action when necessary. In conclusion, your car's dashboard is more than just a collection of lights and gauges. It's a vital communication system that keeps you informed about your vehicle's condition and alerts you to potential issues. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of the various warning lights and their meanings, you can take proactive measures to address problems before they escalate, maintain your vehicle's safety and performance, and enjoy a more confident and stress-free driving experience. Embrace the knowledge and stay vigilant. Your dashboard is your ally on the road. guiding you towards a safer and more reliable journey. And that concludes our discussion on understanding warning indicators on your car's dashboard. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.